Welcome to Module 2 of Introduction to Accommodation Operations. In this module, we will explore the strategic and operational elements that help hospitality organizations optimize revenue and service delivery. The core of this module is centered on revenue management, pricing strategies, and customer-centered improvements based on performance data. Let's begin with an overview of revenue maximization in hospitality. Lecture 1: What is revenue management? Revenue management in accommodation operations involves applying data-driven strategies to sell the right room, to the right customer, at the right time, and for the right price. It is a blend of marketing, sales, and financial forecasting, with the main objective being to maximize revenue per available room. Core principles of revenue management include demand forecasting, dynamic pricing, inventory control, customer segmentation, market positioning. By understanding the patterns of customer booking behavior, operators can adjust pricing, room availability, and promotional efforts to align with business goals. Lecture 2: Understanding demand forecasting. Accurate demand forecasting is vital to maximize revenue. It allows hotel managers to anticipate how many guests are likely to book rooms during a given period. Forecasting considers several key factors: historical occupancy data, seasonal trends and holidays, local events or conferences, competitor pricing and promotions, booking pace and reservation lead times. Hotels use software tools and revenue management systems to analyze these data points and make informed decisions about pricing and availability. Accurate forecasting reduces the risks of overbooking or underutilization, both of which can impact profitability. Lecture 3: Pricing tactics to maximize revenue. Effective pricing tactics support revenue maximization. Let's explore common approaches. Dynamic pricing. Adjust rates in real time based on demand, competitor pricing, and room availability. This tactic ensures rooms are competitively priced during high and low demand periods. Segmentation pricing. Offers different rates to various customer segments like corporate clients, leisure travelers, or event attendees. Tailoring offers increases conversion rates and occupancy. Length of stay restrictions. Minimum and maximum stay requirements are used to optimize room turnover and reduce vacancies during high demand periods. Packaging. Bundling rooms with additional services like meals, transport, or spa access adds value and increases average spend per guest. Overbooking strategy. Based on historical data of no-shows and cancellations, some properties accept more bookings than rooms available. While risky, when done correctly, it maximizes occupancy. Each pricing tactic must be aligned with customer expectations and service quality to avoid dissatisfaction and reputational risk. Lecture 4: Yield management and key metrics. Yield management is a subset of revenue management focused on selling a fixed inventory at variable prices. It requires analyzing key performance metrics. Average daily rate (ADR), the average income earned from occupied rooms over a period. Occupancy rate, the percentage of available rooms that are occupied. Revenue per available room, RevPAR, a combination of occupancy and ADR, it provides a holistic measure of performance. Gross operating profit per available room, GOPA, focuses on profitability after operational costs are deducted. Monitoring these metrics regularly helps decision-makers adjust strategies and maximize revenue per room without compromising service quality. Lecture 5: Channel management and online distribution. Modern accommodation operations rely on a wide network of distribution channels, including direct bookings through hotel websites, online travel agencies, OTAs, like Booking.com or Expedia, global distribution systems used by travel agents, corporate and group sales channels, walk-in customers and phone reservations. Channel management involves strategically allocating inventory across these channels and maintaining rate parity. That means offering consistent prices for the same room across all platforms. Hotels may use channel management software to automate rate adjustments, avoid overbooking, and monitor real-time performance from each channel. Direct bookings are preferred since they avoid commission costs, so many hotels encourage guests to book directly through incentives like free upgrades or flexible cancellation policies. Lecture 6: Customer Feedback and Service Improvement. Revenue maximization isn't just about pricing, it's also about delivering exceptional service that encourages repeat visits and positive reviews. Customer feedback can be collected through online review platforms, post-stay surveys, direct communication during and after the stay, social media engagement. This feedback can highlight operational gaps, staff behavior issues, facilities in need of maintenance, suggestions for added services. Using this data, management can train staff, update facilities, adjust service offerings, improve responsiveness. Improved guest experiences not only lead to better reviews but also contribute to higher revenue through loyalty and referrals. Lecture 7: Upselling and Cross-Selling Techniques. Another method to increase revenue is through upselling and cross-selling. Upselling encourages guests to choose higher-tier rooms or add-on services during the booking or check-in process. For example, offering a suite instead of a standard room, promoting a room with a sea view, suggesting early check-in or late check-out for a fee. Cross-selling involves promoting additional services, spa packages, guided tours, airport transfers, in-room dining upgrades. Front desk staff, reservation agents, and digital platforms can all be trained or configured to execute these techniques effectively. Lecture 8: Technology in Revenue and Service Management. Technology plays a key role in modern hospitality operations. Tools include property management systems, PMS, for handling reservations, guest data, and room status. Revenue management systems, RMS, for demand forecasting and price optimization. Customer relationship management, CRM, software for personalized marketing and loyalty management. Booking engines integrated into hotel websites for seamless reservations. Mobile apps and chatbots for 24/7 customer interaction. Integrating these tools ensures efficient operations, better customer service, and more accurate revenue tracking. Lecture 9: Staff Training and Revenue Responsibility. Every staff member, from housekeeping to front desk to management, contributes to revenue. Training programs should focus on recognizing sales opportunities, communicating effectively with guests, understanding the property's pricing structure, encouraging repeat business, reducing waste and operational inefficiencies. For example, housekeeping may notice a guest who consistently returns and inform the front desk, which can lead to personalized promotions or loyalty packs. Revenue culture must be part of the organization's mindset, not just confined to the sales or finance departments. Lecture 10: Ethical and Sustainable Practices in Revenue Management. While maximizing revenue is important, it must be balanced with ethical considerations and sustainability. Unethical pricing, like inflating rates during emergencies, can damage brand reputation. Additionally, service must match the price being charged. Sustainable practices include energy and water conservation in operations, offering guest options like towel reuse, supporting local suppliers and communities, investing in staff welfare and fair wages. Sustainability adds value to the accommodation brand and often appeals to a growing segment of environmentally conscious travelers. Module 2 Summary. In this module, we explored the strategic elements involved in maximizing revenue in accommodation operations. Key takeaways include revenue management principles and demand forecasting, pricing strategies, yield management, and performance metrics, channel management and importance of direct bookings, the role of customer feedback in driving continuous improvement, upselling and cross-selling techniques, the use of technology to streamline operations and enhance service, Training and empowering staff to contribute to revenue. The importance of ethical and sustainable practices in hospitality. Conclusion of the course, Introduction to Accommodation Operations. Congratulations on completing the course Introduction to Accommodation Operations. You've now gained a solid understanding of the foundations of accommodation services, methods of classification and survey techniques, pricing strategies and service specification, how to maximize revenue through strategic and ethical operations. These competencies form the backbone of success in the hospitality industry. As a future hotelier, accommodation manager, or service specialist, your ability to apply these principles will determine your ability to meet guest expectations, improve efficiency, and drive profitability. Thank you for your attention and participation. Stay committed to quality, innovation, and guest satisfaction as you grow in your hospitality career.